Oh, hello everybody. Do you like kimchi fried rice? Do you like pasta? Let's put them together to make kimchi pasta. Oh, hell yeah. This is very similar to the kimchi fried rice recipe. We're just gonna add a little twisty twist with the pasta. We really are combining Korean and Italian cooking techniques, and it's just going to be like, it should all come together pretty fast. I feel like a lot of the recipes lately have been coming from my childhood. This is one that Mama Lee made me growing up, fell in love with it. However, because I'm a little stinker, I had to figure out a way to make it better. So I figured out a way, and let's get to it. So right away, while you're prepping all these ingredients, the first thing you should do is get a pot of water boiling for your pasta. This will all time out really well. So let's first prep the kimchi. This is sour kimchi. The sour kimchi is just normal kimchi that's been in the fridge for at least 2 weeks. It gets a more tangy flavor, and that works better for cooking. So I have about 2 cups here. I recommend using scissors over putting on the cutting board and a knife because kimchi stains like crazy. So let's just give it a choppy chop. Pay attention to how much kimchi juice is in here, because the more kimchi juice you have, the more you're gonna have to cook out when we make the sauce. Kimchi's all prepped, set that off to the side. Now we'll do the green onion. 2 stalks of green onion. Okay, so that's good enough here. So with these remaining green parts, I'm gonna save these for garnish at the end. You can just turn them at an angle, and then we'll just cut some slices that way, and this will be a cool little garnish at the end. Get these cool little, I don't know, slices. So you have the green onion for the sauce and the green onion for the garnish at the very end. Cool? Set them off to the side. Now we have garlic. This isn't your typical garlic, folks. This is purple garlic. You can find this at farmers markets, or I believe some co-ops have it. This garlic is juicier and has a milder flavor, so it doesn't like overtake the dish. We'll do 4 cloves of this, and we'll do thin slices. Garlic's done, let's move to the stove. So grab some olive oil. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons, enough to coat the bottom of the pan here. Dump all the green onion in. Turn on the heat to medium. Okay, we're gonna slowly let the oil and the green onion infuse together. And as soon as that starts, we're gonna drop our pasta in the pasta water after it's been salted. And we're gonna cook that 2 minutes shy of package directions. So in my case, it's gonna be 8 minutes. The oil is sizzling, so go in with your garlic. When you scrape things with a knife, use the back edge of it, because if you use a sharp edge, you're really just gonna dull the crap out of your blade. So
I didn't know that. Learn something new every day.
Saute this 2 minutes, or until you see the garlic toast a little bit. We don't want the garlic to burn. It's just green onions and garlic, and it smells so freaking good. All right, garlic's at a good spot, so clear some room on the pan and just go straight in with your kimchi. Stir fry the kimchi, but also get all the moisture out from the kimchi. Alright, as you can see, a lot of the moisture has released from the kimchi, so this is a good spot. You don't want to completely dry it out. 2 tablespoons of gochugaru in. And stir fry pretty fast here because gochugaru can burn pretty easily here. Okay, we're just stirring to well incorporate it. Push everything up to the side, and then you're gonna put the sugar directly on the pan. That was half a tablespoon of sugar, by the way. And you're just going to let it fry a little bit, and then you put in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. By adding the soy sauce directly on the pan, it's going to scorch it, and we're going to let the soy sauce bubble up a little bit. It will get thicker as we go. So now look at that, it's now super thick. Stir fry the rest of it in. Oh, I'm so sorry. Half a tablespoon of MSG. I can't believe I almost forgot. How could I? Uncle Roger would be so mad. Oh my God, hiya. Add a ladle of pasta water in. And then give everything a good shake here. See, already you can see that the sauce is like kind of thick and starchy. This is what we want. Now transfer your 1 pound of pasta straight in. Again, we undercooked the pasta because we want to finish the cooking in the sauce. And it's really gonna bring all the flavors together into something delicious. A couple more layers of pasta water, and you just keep going until the pasta's cooked through. And with this much pasta in the pan, you can take it slow, right? I would go under and then just kind of lift it up and push, right? That's an easy way to stir it.
Whoa, look at you.
All right, add more pasta water as necessary. All right, always taste for doneness. Delicious. Okay, I'm in a good spot here. A few shakes of sesame seeds. All right, your kimchi pasta's done. Let's plate this up. So just grab some with your tongs. Try to go straight down like this. And as you're lowering the pasta, just give it a little twirl. Put some kimchi on top. Then we can add a bit more sesame seeds on top and our green onions. All right, there we go. Kimchi pasta. Let's get it. I'll let you take the first bite.
Oh, okay.
How do we do?
Nailed it.
Ooh,
Spicy.
she's a little hot. Does it remind you of kimchi fried rice, or is it kind of its own thing?
Not really. I feel like because it's different with the pasta.
Oma, I love you, but this is better. My glasses are fogging up so bad. Look at that. Oh, she is really spicy.
So spicy.
The flavor's insane. Yeah, on point. I am sweating my face out right
I
now.
bet it's good cold.
Tony has this really weird thing where cold pasta is just like her freaking jam.
I haven't tried it. It's so good.
Let us know in the comment section if you like cold pasta.
You can't say that you've never like, oh, there's leftover pasta in the fridge. Let me just take a bite of it. Do you heat that bite up first? No, you eat it.
It's like kimchi fried rice and pasta just got a little frisky. Made it beautiful, baby, which is kimchi pasta. It just works, so give this a shot. Maybe
tone down the spice if you're not a huge spice person.
This is even spicy for me, so this is probably killing me right now.
You're very sweaty.
I don't know what you're talking about. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you want to see next. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye!